Ava Boyz and Benzo. Yeah. Ooh, for them Hula Girl.
Yes. Feeling so good. I'm chilling at my hood and watching them Hula Girl. In the air and watching them shake it.
You ride my passion when you make it swirl. The way you move it round, my heart just starts to pound, demanding my attention, oh girl. Fluid and smooth as your motion, and girl, you got that beauty like the ocean. Get ready to do this. You guys go ahead and do that. Be back in a minute. I'd like to celebrate your Hula Girl. You ride my passion when you make it swirl. The way you move it round, my heart just starts to pound, demanding my attention, oh girl. Fluid and smooth is your motion, and girl, you got that beauty like the ocean. My Polynesian queen, the reason why I sing, I've got to have that Hula Girl. And best believe that I got you sooner. If I'm the 5 stars, then you would be Funga. And I love the way that your hair sways and your hips sway and your lips say that you hella proud to be Polly. Yeah, so tell the moon to move it, and ooh, I like this moment so you're grooving. I've got to have it now with you, I feel I'm proud. Come on and be my Hula Girl.